In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use 123FormBuilder with Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your website dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the left side menu and click Apps. This will show you the apps connected to your Wix site. From there, open 123FormBuilder from your installed apps list. If Wix asks you to sign in, enter your existing 123FormBuilder account details to continue. After that, authorize 123FormBuilder to connect to your Wix website. This allows the form builder to work directly with your site and makes it easier to manage your forms from one place. If you are starting from scratch, click Create Form. If you already have a form ready, simply select it and continue. Next, customize your form. Add the fields you need, edit any existing fields, and adjust the design to match your website. You can also update the form settings based on how you want it to behave. Take a moment to review everything carefully so the form looks right and collects the information you need. When your changes are done, click Save to store the form. After saving, make sure the form is added to the correct page on your Wix website if it is not already displayed there. Open the Wix editor and place the form where you want visitors to see it. Then resize and position the form so it fits neatly within the page layout. This is important for both appearance and usability. A well-placed form will look more professional and be easier for visitors to complete. Once the form is in place, click Preview to test it. Fill out the form and submit a sample response. This step helps confirm that the form is working properly and that users can submit it without issues. This confirms that your form is successfully collecting responses and sending them to the right place. When everything looks correct, click Publish in Wix to make the form live on your website. Your visitors will now be able to access it and submit their information. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.